And welcome back to Carolina and Company Live. All right, we got somebody new on the show. A group of lawyers have finally decided to come on our show. They figured out this show's good and they want to come on it.
Yeah, your lawyers at the beach, McCutchen, Mumford, Vaught, O'Day, and Geddie. And thank you very much, Gene, for being on our show today.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, so let's talk a little bit first about what all you guys do. You guys do a lot at your law firm.
We do. We're pretty much a full-service law firm. We do everything from litigation, which would include personal injury, workers' compensation, criminal defense work. We also have a transactional department, which does such things as real estate closings, wills, trusts, estate administration.
Okay. All right, and let's talk a little bit about workers' compensation. Now, are employers, are they all required to carry that?
Not every employer is required to carry it, but under South Carolina law, if you are an employer who employs on a regular basis 4 or more employees, then you are mandated by law to carry workers' compensation insurance coverage.
Okay, and how does an injured worker qualify to receive workers' compensation benefits?
Workers' compensation is a lot different from the typical type of injury that you would sustain, say, in an automobile accident. In those type of injuries, you have to prove that someone was negligent and caused the accident that resulted in your injury. In workers' compensation, basically, if you are injured in an accident that arises out of and in the course of your employment duties, then you qualify for that workers' compensation and those benefits.
Okay.
Now, what type of benefits are available through workers' comp?
The most important benefit to most people from the outset would be medical coverage, medical treatment. People who are injured need that immediate medical treatment. That is, of course, provided. Also, if you're injured and you're going to be out of work for any period of time, you're without income. And so there are temporary benefits, which are roughly equivalent to about 2/3 of your average weekly wage that you receive until you return to work. And then after that, if your injury results in any type of permanent impairment or disability, you're going to be entitled to a benefit that compensates you for that.
Okay. Well, now, if somebody gets injured, when would you say that they should contact an attorney?
That's a good question, and each case is different. If you have suffered a minor injury on the job, one that's not going to require any type of significant medical treatment or any lost time from work, you probably do not need an attorney. However, if you have a more significant injury, if you're going to miss time from work, if you're having trouble getting medical treatment authorized, it's probably worth your while to at least consult with an attorney.
Okay. All right. Great. Thank you very much for the
being with
tip.
us.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
We look forward to seeing a lot of you on the show now.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
There's the phone number right there on the screen, 800-559-6505. You can check them out at lawyersatthebeach.com. And also, if you have any questions for this group of lawyers, you can email us at legaladvice@wpde.com. Again, that's legaladvice@wpde.com, and we will get you the answer.
We'll ask them. All right. Thanks a lot. We got more coming up. Stay where you are.